Hello, and welcome back to Scrum Master course. Scrum Master course provides guidelines for the successful implementation of Scrum. So isn't it necessary that we know a little more about Scrum? Let's take a look. A Scrum project involves a collaborative effort to create a new product, service, or other result as defined in the project vision statement. All projects are impacted by constraints of time, cost, scope, quality, resources, organizational capabilities, and other limitations that make them difficult to plan, execute, manage, and ultimately succeed. However, successful implementation of the results of a finished project provides significant business benefits to an organization. It is therefore important for organizations to select and practice an appropriate project management framework. And this is where Scrum comes in. So what is Scrum? Scrum is one of the most popular Agile frameworks. It is an adaptive, iterative, fast, flexible, and effective methodology designed to deliver significant value quickly and throughout a project. Scrum ensures transparency in communication and creates an environment of collective accountability and continuous progress. The Scrum framework, as defined in the SBOK guide, is structured in such a way that it supports product and service development in all types of industries and in any type of project, irrespective of its complexity. Here another question arises. Why is Scrum better than other project management techniques? A key strength of Scrum lies in its use of cross-functional, self-organized, and empowered teams who divide their work into short, concentrated work cycles called sprints. Think of sprints as short time spans in which a certain amount of work must be done. Take a look at this diagram, which illustrates the Scrum project's flow. As you can see, the Scrum cycle begins with a stakeholder meeting, during which the project vision is created. The product owner then develops a prioritized product backlog, which contains a prioritized list of business and project requirements, written in the form of user stories. Each sprint begins with a sprint planning meeting, during which high-priority user stories are considered for inclusion in the sprint. A sprint generally lasts between 1 and 6 weeks, and involves the Scrum team working to create potentially shippable deliverables, or product increments. During the sprint, short, highly focused daily stand-up meetings are conducted where team members discuss daily progress. Toward the end of the sprint, a sprint review meeting is held, during which the product owner and relevant stakeholders are provided a demonstration of the deliverables. The product owner accepts the deliverables only if they meet the predefined acceptance criteria. The sprint cycle ends with a retrospect sprint meeting where the team discusses ways to improve processes and performance as they move forward into the subsequent sprint. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview and learning about the project's flow in Scrum, and I'll see you in the next module where we will briefly discuss the history of Scrum. And thank you for learning with us.